Why did I become a doctor? There are a few reasons. Firstly, because both my parents are doctors and I have seen them toil endlessly when I was a child trying to restore health in patients at even odd hours, and that really motivated me. And secondly, because as a person, I like to restore things. My hobby is to pick up old things and restore them back into a working condition. That's exactly what I do as an eye specialist. I take people's eyes and I take their problems and their diseases and surgically try to restore them back into its original condition or try to give them back meaningful vision. And that's exactly why I chose this field, and that's why I enjoy it so much.
Being a doctor to me means that a routine day for me can be the most important and life-changing day for the patient. So that makes me wake up fresh and sincere every day.
What do I like about being an ophthalmologist? Well, the number one reason, like all doctors, is what I do as a calling or a profession also helps people in their journey to make their vision better, to make their lives better. The other two reasons that drive me are this is a field which is for people who like to read and write, academically oriented, and I think I am one of those. I've always enjoyed doing this. I know that there are a lot of struggles and challenges in this field, but if given an opportunity, would I go back and do this again? Absolutely yes. This is the best thing I ever did to myself, and I would choose it time and again.
I like being a retina and ROP specialist because I get to treat patients who are 0 years old, the small NICU babies, to patients who are 90 years old. To be able to give the gift of vision is something which is truly special, and the smile in their face, especially the little babies, when they can see the world a little clearer and brighter, is the best part of my job.
Hi, my name is Dr. Deepika Pari. Why I like being a doctor is because of the fact that I get to experience human interaction every day in my OPDs. The sheer joy of seeing relief and comfort on patients' faces after the treatment, and the thrill of entering an operating room and make a positive impact in lives of my patients. Thank you.
Being a doctor for me is to be able to earn the trust of my patients, to be able to heal them nicely, to have a continuous process of learning so that we can make a difference in people's lives. That is what being a doctor to me is.
Medicine is a profession and healing is a calling. I salute all professionals who are involved in converting knowledge into hope. Happy Doctors' Day from a doctor to all the doctors. Thank you.